Hello students and my friends and everyone who is watching this video. Today I am going to explain Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2018 February March paper 2 and document production part of this paper. This paper includes 4 sections: document production, mail merge, database and PowerPoint. So we are starting with the document production part. So let us start. As they said here, you work for Tawara University, which is relocating to a new site. You are going to perform some task for this organization. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to open your evidence document, and you should have your name, center number, candidate number on the header of the document, and then save your evidence document as your evidence, then your candidate number. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to open this file first, evidence, yes, and I'm going to save this evidence document as save as, and I will name it evidence, and then after my candidate number 0297 as a Word document, and on the desktop I am creating a folder where I can place my all documents. So I'm going to click on create a folder, for example P2 2018, and I'm just going to place my work over there. It is saved. Next step, you should include your name, center number, candidate number in the header section. So I'm just going to select the header section and type my name, then center number, then candidate number, and just click on close, and then click on save as, or just click on save. Moving forward to task 2, you are going to edit information brief about the development of the new university building project. So using a suitable software package, load this file. So we are going to load this file. This file name is news, I guess. Yes, this is the file. Start to click on enable editing. Take longer a little bit. Now next is set the paper size to A4 and page orientation to portrait. So layout, page orientation to portrait, and size of the paper to A4. Then next is set all the margins to 2 cm. So page setup, all the margins to 2 cm except the gutter position and gutter. We don't need to fix it. We just need to have our document margin setting only, which is left, right, top and bottom. Fine. After that, in the next step, they ask us to take the evidence of paper size, orientation and margin. So we'll click here and we'll take the screenshot of this one, then click on OK. Go to your evidence document, and your evidence 1 is here. So you just need to crop it because we don't need the whole screenshot. We just need the specific point which they required. So that is paper size, paper margins and orientation. Now we need to get a screenshot of our paper size as well. So we click here, then we will click on paper size, then print screen, click OK, and then in the evidence document place your evidence number 2. And then again you just need to crop it, and we will crop till this point. We need only the paper size. Here is the paper size. That's it. Now you just make it big a little bit. That is done. Moving forward, save the document in your work area with a new file name. So I'm going to save this one as a new document, like I'm going to name it Tawara News. Tawara News, and on desktop I have created a folder just now which is P2 2018 as Word document. Save. Moving next, you need to go to your folder now and take a screenshot that will confirms that your file is saved, like this one. So now take print screen, go to your evidence document and just place this evidence here. So it shows the file name that you have selected and type of the file. Make sure that your file name is not cropped. Tawara News. Now next, you need to place in the header your name, center number, candidate number, left align. So get a header from here. Here left align, you need to type your name, then your center number, and then your candidate number, then after in the header, and then automated page number, right align. Here they need automated page number, so always current position and then plain or some other type. We don't need anything in the center of the header. Then in the footer we need automated file name with file path, right align. So we need to include a footer now with the 3 column. Right side we need insert, then quick parts, then field, and then we need to go to file name with the file path, and we need to delete this one. We don't need this one here, and just click on close. Next step is make sure that no other text or placeholder included in the header footer. Yes, we have cleaned everything, nothing is included except the information they need. Then next step is all the elements match the page margin, header footer display on every page. So it is now create and store the following style basing on each of the default paragraph style. So we need to create some styles now. Let's go to the end of the document here. Just click here and start creating style. The first one is TU title, and then we are just going to click on this option, style, new style, the same name as they said, modify. What we need here, sans serif font, which is Arial. It must be 36 points as they said. Then center align, then underline, and then they ask us single line spacing with before and after 0. So line spacing 0 0 and single. Click on OK. Okay, one style is created. Okay, one style we have created. Now I'm just going to click here outside. Now next step is to create one more style with the name of TU subtitle. So here I'm going to name it TU, then subtitle. Click on modify. What are the requirements here? Sans serif and 18. So sans serif and 18. Then we need this one to be right align and italic, no underline. Right align, and then we need single line spacing and before and after 0. So before and after paragraph setting is 0 and single line spacing. Okay, Okay, a style is created. And now just going to another part now, and we'll create one more style with the name of subheading. TU subheading. Then click on modify. This one we need to be 14 with the serif font, which is Times New Roman 14. Then only bold and left align, no underline and italic, and after spacing is 0. After spacing is 0, and the rest of the formation is the 14, after spacing 14. Click on OK. Now one more style with TU body. So now TU body, just click on modify. This one again we want serif font, 12 size, fully justified, no bold, no italic, I guess, none, single, and 12. After spacing is 12. Okay, no other enhancement. Click on OK. Now one more style with the name of TU bullet. So TU bullet, then just click on modify. This one we want serif and left align, 12 point, 12, and then we want square bullet with single line spacing. So numbering, we want a bullet with a square bullet, and there is no line spacing, so before and after it is 0, 0. Just click on OK, and then the last style as they want TU, and that is table. Click on modify. For the table they want 12 left, so again serif and 12 and left align as well, and no enhancement, single line spacing, and before and after 0. So that is done. Click on OK, then click on OK. Done. There is no bullet, numbering, and bullet, none. We don't need any bulleted style. And this one must be 12 in size as well. Size is 12. Click on OK. That is done. Moving forward, place in your evidence document screenshot to show the style setting have been defined for the TU body. So right click on TU body, modify it, get a print screen, click on OK, and your evidence document as your evidence number 3 for step number 5. Again we need to crop the unnecessary area of this picture, till this point. You need to increase the size a little bit so the information is clearly seen. Next step, now display these custom style name as a list in the style manager organizer. Provide screenshot evidence that these styles have been created, named, and saved. So here you need to click on this option and get a print screen of this one, and then click on close, and this one is your evidence number 4 for step number 6, evidence 4. Now you need to crop again the unnecessary part of this picture, for example till this point. Styles you have created, that's it. And now you need to increase the size of this screenshot little bit. Next is insert a blank line at the start of the document and enter the title New Campus News at the start of the document. So we need to go to the start of the document, press an enter button, and then just include this one. After including, we need to apply TU title style to it. So that is our TU title. Then after, below the title, add the subtitle produced by and then your name. So here we need to type produced by and then your name. Yes, nothing else, I guess, only name, and then we need to apply subtitle style to it. So subtitle, this is the one, and then next step, below insert a blank line before the text we are now beginning and enter the subheading good news. So copy this one. Yes, we are beginning now. Before this, I guess they ask you to they say insert a blank line before the text we are beginning and then the good news. Then change the page layout so that the subheading good news and all the following text is equally displayed in equally two columns with 2 cm space between them. So from this point till the end you have to go. Yes, till this point. And this one you need to display in 2 equally spaced columns. So page layout, more, 2 columns with 2 cm space between them, like this. And then next step is apply the TU body style to this text. So home TU body style is here. So we have applied this to this document. Then identify 5 subheading in the document and apply TU subheading style to it. Select this one, 1, that is 2, that is 3, and this one is 4, and then 5th. Now TU subheading. TU subheading is applied. Now import the image 1803 building.jpg. Place this image on the first page in the paragraph which start. The new development is aligned with the top of the paragraph, aligned to the left. So the new development in the first page. The new development, here. We need to insert a picture. Yes. So here, this one, insert the picture to the left margin and resize the image to fill half the column space and maintain the aspect ratio. So half the column space they have said. So at the moment our column width is 7.5. I'm going to reduce it to like 3.7 will be enough. Yes, and then after they want us make sure the text wrap around the image. So we are going to click here, text wrap, that is square. Now we need to move this one little bit down so that it is aligned with the first, with the line, the new development, and then after it may look like this. Fine. Insert a new paragraph after the text adhere to internet safety. Adhere to internet safety. Yes, adhere to the safe internet. 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 usage agreement and enter the text, the rules of internet usage, safe internet usage. So here new paragraph, yes, and we will select and apply the same body style, and then we need to type yes, under this text on separate lines in your own words, enter 4 rules for using the internet safely. So you can type the rules here, for example, that set privacy, set the privacy to friends only, and then after you can say here that install up to date antivirus software, and then you can say that never reply to spam mail or spam emails. And then one more point is just to switch on firewall. So then after you just move to the next part, apply the TU bullet to these 4 rules. So select them and TU bullet I am going to apply to it. And after that, next step is import the table 1803 HOD.RTF and place it at the end of the document after the text, the heads of department who are. So here I am going to insert. So insert object and then text from, and we'll go to desktop to the folder, yes, and here this one table, as they said 1803 HOD, sorry, this one, just insert, and after that if you look at this one, the contents of this table, like for example the border is not clearly visible, so when you just click here, or when we come to the end of the table here even, okay, we will fix this one. Later on what did they say? Format the save table so that the TU table style is applied to it. So first of all select this one, and TU table style we are going to apply to this table. Then it fit within the width of the column. We will no text is split when wrapped in within a cell. Only the first 2 columns in the first row are merged. Only the first 2 columns in the first row are merged. Mean first 2 columns, these 2 need to be merged. Right click, merge them, and then the text name is centered in merged cell. This one must be in center, and then after text in all row is center aligned vertically. So in all the cells vertically, so it means that text in all rows in center line vertically. So select this one, and then we have the design, and also in the layout we have center vertically like this, center line vertically. All the border and grid line are visible when they are printed. So all the borders and grid line must be visible when they are printed. So let me reduce the size of this cell little bit, and let's see what will happen, because we need to show this one of the column, like for example if I select this one, yes, if I click at the top of this one only, and then I just go to the home, here border and shading. So border is already here, but we cannot see because of the width of the column. So what we need to do is we just need to click here a little bit, and little bit movement is required. Oh no, sorry, otherwise it will just Control Z, however wherever it was. So you can also include this table, like for here from this point I can just make this one little bit smaller, so the table border is clearly visible still. It's because of this one text only here, electrical engineering. Yes, if we just divide this one, let's see what will happen now. Will it? And if we just click and reduce the size of this column only, yes, now it will fit. So it should not overlap. So what you can do, you just get this to the other column, E1, so it's okay. And then the next step is spell check and proofread the document. Now you need to spell check and proofread the document. So just press F7 button from keyboard. So we don't need to change this one, that might be a name of someone. This one also, gun want. So just ignore it because that is, we should, yeah, ignore. We just need to look for the grammatical mistakes. Tawara, it's okay, Tawara. Current expansion is okay. Phase 1 complete, Tawara, and let's click on OK. No blank page. House type specification are followed. Spacing between all items is consistent, and then you need to print the document, and that's the end of document production part of this question paper. So there is no blank page. That's all. You see. Thank you very much for watching, and hope you have learned something in this video today, and we'll see you in next video. Thank you very much.